Okay, students, we're doing the flipped classroom. Basically what the flipped classroom is, you're going to look at this video and you're going to get the directions from me, and then you should be able to come in tomorrow and actually do the lab without me saying much of anything. You'll have a lab paper with the procedure, and I might have to go over a few details with you, but other than that, you should be ready to go. Basically, we're testing 4 types of Band-Aids, and we're going to run different tests. Tomorrow's test will be called the stick test. We're going to see how well a Band-Aid sticks. The directions will actually show the Band-Aid being stuck on your wrist. I want you not to put it on your wrist because it really don't come off. So put it on your elbow or put it on your knee. Okay, between those two places. I don't care if one person does it or you have all 4 different people try the Band-Aids out or share it. It doesn't matter to me. Okay. So we're going to test these Band-Aids. We're going to give the Band-Aid, if it stayed on and doesn't come off, we're going to give it a score of 5, being a good score. If it came off real quick, we'll give it a score of 1. We're going to run this test 3 times because any good experiment you always have 3 trials. Okay, so you run it. If the Band-Aid comes off or doesn't come off, either way, you're going to take it all the way off, put it back on, run a second trial, bend it, run a third trial and bend it. If you bend the knee or elbow 50 times and it stays on, then stop. Don't keep going on and on. Once it reaches 50, that's a good Band-Aid. It gets a 5. Okay, so that's the stick test. We'll have 4 different types of Band-Aids. We're actually going to have 2 types of HEB, and one's going to be strong strip, and the other one's just going to say HEB plastic. We'll have a Johnson & Johnson Band-Aid, and then we'll have a NextCare Band-Aid. Those Band-Aids could change if we run out of certain types, but I'll let you know about that. I'll put those Band-Aids A, B, C, D on the board because you are going to take the Band-Aids out of the package. You have to label the Band-Aid with A, B, C, D, depending on which one it is. Otherwise, you won't know which Band-Aid's on your arm or leg, and when you go to test it, you'll be confused. You're going to do the 3 trials. You'll total up their scores, and then you'll average those, and you get an average for each Band-Aid. And that's the first test. Tomorrow's test I'm going to go over in another video called the soggy skin test. Thank you.